Here's the boys. Hello. Little evening walk to go check on the baby piglets that were just born. And I'll show you the little boy that is supposed to be out here with these guys, but he keeps getting out of the fencing area and going back to Gen Pop is what my husband likes to jokingly refer it to as. Hey guys. Nice evening. Hi. What's going on? Well, you guys already been fed. Sorry, you're on a diet. You gotta relax. There's our little, there's Hazel over there, the brown and white one. And then we don't have names for these other guys. And then that's Mr. Double Waddle, Dub Wobs. No, wait, what's his name? They're getting me. I've been pigged. That's a sign of affection. I've been pigged. Little Dubs. That's his name, Little Dubs. I can't keep up with these pigs' names. Little Dubs. Anyways, he keeps escaping from the boys. And he comes over here to Gen Pop. But we're trying to get him separated because he's starting to show a little boy sign, if you know what I'm saying. So we got to get him separated. Cow. I do not have food. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go check on new baby piggies. Alright, we're gonna go. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go check on the baby piglets, and you can see one is actually outside, so I'm gonna have to go in there and go pick him or her back up so she doesn't get too cold. So here, hold that. Go carefully, not to disturb Mama. While the other ones are I know. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. That one got kicked outside. I want to get him back in there. Okay, lay back down. Keep nursing, guys. Okay. You're back together. There you go. Make some room. Okay. Let's go see. Thank you. They sure know how to squeal, right? Squeal like a little pig. See, that one's getting kicked out again. We'll have to keep an eye on this one. All right, lay back down, Mama. All right, we'll check you guys later. They were just born. Had to get that one. Where's my big ones? Where's my other guys, huh? Let's go find them. A quick stop at the... Oh, good. A quick stop at the back garden to say goodnight on this evening after checking on the piglets. We did everything that we can. Mama hopefully will keep them warm and fed throughout the night. Good night.